I have created a lot of channels. One time I created a new channels and I was working, but it was not running good. So I left it, and then after I created a blog channels, it was also not running good. And after that, I thought one day I was sitting that I thought that what kind of qualities, what kind of right now I want to be. I'm talking a different person right now. One very interesting fact I would like to tell you. I'm living in a rural areas and in village, but in spite of living in village, I can speak English. I'm the first person who is speaking English in front of you, and who has created YouTube channels. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
How are you, sir?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine and great. So this is our first meeting, and when we are going to talk and when we are going to convey our message to each other. So I would like to know about yourself something. So please introduce yourself first. Then after we'll talk on different matters.
Yeah, sure. My name is Vivek Kumar and I am from UP, District Bijnor. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English. And as far as my profession is concerned, I am a teacher by profession. That's all about me. Now,
Okay.
would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yes, sir. Why not? So I'm Jitendra Kumar. I'm also from UP and Uttar Pradesh, and by profession, I'm also a teacher. But I teach in a private school below 8th standard student, and
Okay.
that's all about me. Short intro. I don't want to discuss every day. Just whenever I get opportunity to talk with any person, then I tell my intro, and it is over. So now we can talk some other matters.
Okay. If you have any topic, then we can talk.
Yes, sir. So please tell me how can I speak fluent way and how other people can speak fluent way. So you are a teacher and you are a postgraduate person. So how do you teach? Please tell me because in this field. I'm a new person. I'm newcomer. So I want to know by you how do you teach? So how can I teach?
Okay. I am also a private teacher. I am not a government teacher. And
Oh.
I teach in a Hindi medium school, not an English medium school. I
So
am
I
like you.
same. I also do same.
Yeah. But
Hindi
I have a long experience. I have been teaching around for 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah. But I teach in a Hindi medium school.
Hindi
I
medium.
teach I teach 9th to 12th class students. And basically my teaching subject is English. But I never get the chance to speak in English because I teach in Hindi medium school.
So you can also speak in front of boys and girls in English. Both language you can make them understand.
When I started teaching in 2009, at that time there was not so atmosphere of English as we have today.
Yeah, of course.
At that time we didn't have mobile, and nowadays every person has a multimedia mobile.
Yeah.
And for 2 months I have been learning how to speak in English.
Yeah.
Although I am a teacher of English subject, but I never got the chance to speak in English.
Yeah.
And recently I started my YouTube channel named English with Village Teacher.
Yeah.
So, which district of UP do you belong?
It's a Sant Kabir Nagar beside Gorakhpur.
Sant Kabir Nagar.
Yes, it's beside Gorakhpur.
Okay,
Do
okay,
you
okay,
know
okay.
about Gorakhpur?
Yeah. I have heard this name many times.
So
You
Gorakhpur,
know,
Gorakhpur
yeah.
is
UP is a big state,
yeah.
and there are 75 districts in it.
Yeah, of course.
So, do you have YouTube channel or not?
Yes, I have created YouTube channel, and also I'm working on it. But I have created these channels before 4 or 5 months near about. And when I created these channels, I was uploading short videos, short sentences and short videos. But after 1 month, I thought that I should also make conversation videos. I should also upload conversation videos so that I can make my English fluency better. So that's why I started uploaded uh, English conversation videos like other person do.
It means you are older than me in this matter about YouTube. Am I visible?
Yes, you are visual, audible.
Yeah. Yeah, let me tell you. I started my YouTube channel 24 January 2024 and it's 24 February today. It means 1 month is complete.
Yeah, yes, but I started 19th of October in 2023.
Okay,
And now
October.
you can count it. It may be 4 or 5
From
months.
5 months.
Yeah, yeah.
So how many subscribers do you have?
I have 300, 3K 500 subscriber.
Okay, good, very good.
I was telling that 3 month, near about 3 month, I consistently uploaded only short videos, short sentences. But after 3 months, when I got 1K subscriber, 2K subscriber, then I thought that I should make conversation videos. So I started it.
So when did you join this group?
I think that before 1.5 month.
Okay, okay. So who suggested you to start a YouTube channel?
Actually, no any person suggested to me to start any kind of YouTube channels. Actually, I wanted to work in social media platform. On social media platform, my friend and other person always suggest me that please work as a influencer. Please work on social media. You will get popularity. You will be famous on social media. So one is my best friend. He always suggest and support me, so please work on social media, work on social media. And you know that I have created a lot of channels. I one time I created a new channels and I was working, but it was not running good, so I left it. And then after I start created a blog channels, it was also not running good. And after that I thought, one day I was sitting that I thought that what kind of qualities, what kind of skills I have. And then I realized that I watched a video. I was surfing mobile and I was using mobile. Then I saw a short videos of short sentences. Then I thought that it is viral videos. And now I can also make, and I can also create sentences. I can translate sentences like it. So I thought that I should also do. And then I started my channel, and I created a YouTube channel. And then I began to upload short videos with short sentences. And after that my videos and my sentences went viral. Then I got subscriber from that.
Oh, good one, very good.
So right now I want to be a good speaker and fluent speaker. That's why I'm talking a different person right now. And
Good, good.
maybe my channel will grow in future. Then I will try to become a English trainer as well.
Definitely, then definitely. You will be a trainer.
One very interesting fact I would like to tell you. I'm living in a rural areas and in village, but in spite of living in village, I can speak English. I'm the first person who is speaking English in front of you, and who has created YouTube channels to upload English videos.
Okay. So how long have you been teaching in a school?
It's near about 2 years. This is
Okay.
this is my second year.
So do you teach in a Hindi medium or English medium school?
It's a totally Hindi medium school, and I try to speak both languages, English and Hindi language. Whenever I get opportunity to speak Hindi language, English language, I definitely speak.
Okay, good one.
So and due to not any English teachers, I had to teach English and grammar rules and regulations. And also I sometimes I try to teach them how to speak English and how to interact and communicate with people in English.
Okay, 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 okay. I
So
also live in village area.
okay, okay. So do you take also tuition?
Yeah, I teach tuition. I teach 10th or 12th class students. UP board.
Only.
Yeah.
Okay, so please tell me, how many subscribers did you get so far?
Yeah, in 1 month I have 215 subscribers.
Oh, it's good. But I would like to I would like to I can't say that suggest, but I would like to one thing that you can also upload short sentences, because you know short sentence goes viral very soon. So you can definitely get subscriber by uploading short sentences.
Short video.
Short videos and long videos both you can upload on your channels, because short sentences and short videos definitely run very well.
Okay, okay, okay. Because
Yes.
you know, since when I have started my YouTube channel, I have been uploading their conversational videos as we are talking now.
So you can upload this kind of video, but I I I would like to say that you can upload conversation video, short sentences, short videos.
Okay, okay.
Will you
First,
know people?
first I will watch your video, then
Okay.
I will think about that.
Yes, of course, it's a good result. I got a good result from short videos and short sentences.
Okay, okay. Because
But
you know, I am
yes,
quite new here.
I'm also quite new. But you know, before it, I didn't have any kind of idea. But I right now I can say that I know something. But
Yeah, yeah.
how to upload and how videos goes viral and how it will very soon goes viral, I don't know properly, but I'm trying to learn it, because I'm also new in this field.
So how many videos have you uploaded so far on your channel?
uh, 200 plus, in which
200.
yes, in which I have uploaded, I think that uh, 150 plus short videos, short sentences.
Okay, okay. After disconnecting the call, I will watch your video.
Okay, oh, you can watch. And
So it is enough. We will talk later and I have some work. So it was a nice conversation with you.
okay, sir, same here, and you have given your valuable time to me. I really appreciate your work, and I highly oblige your act of kindness. So thank you for giving your valuable time
Okay,
once again.
okay, bye.
Okay, one.